Alright, today we're going to check out a new foreclosure that I just got access to today for the first time. Now, the really neat thing about this house is going to be the location. This is probably one of the best locations in all of Pensacola. It's located in East Hill, which is one of the most desirable locations in Pensacola. It does have a somewhat of a water view from the top floor, as I'll show you in a minute. But here's the deal. This house is going to need a ton, and I mean a ton of work. It has got some major issues. It does have this detached 2-car garage apartment thing here in the back. We'll take a look at in just a minute. But you can just see from the outside of the house, it's going to need a new roof. I mean, the roof is shot. I don't remember the actual age of this home when it was built. If I remember, I'll try to put it on the screen, flash it up there just so everyone watching knows how old this house is. But this house is very old. This is like the historic district kind of Pensacola. A lot of these homes were built in the early 1900s. It is a brick home, but you can tell. I mean, just look at this door. It's just been neglected. I mean, big time. And this is just the outside. Wait till you see the inside. It's so much character. I mean, this whole thing is just eaten up with wood rot. This is the first time I've been here, so we're at least around back and on the inside of the property. It does have a new HVAC, which is nice. I'm gonna try to make this quick because this house is so big. It gets kind of confusing. So here's your back door. You've got it upstairs, which is huge, and it has a lot of rooms. And there's 2 stairs, one here in the back and one in the front. But this is what the inside here in the kitchen area looks like. Now the previous owner has removed the cooktop and something else, maybe a wine cooler, who knows. Your wall ovens have also been removed. But this cabinetry is not in bad shape at all. It's probably one of the better things about the house. So you have this formal living room. There's not a whole lot of light in here, sorry, but you get an idea of kind of the character and what it looks like. So you've got a bedroom back here. And these floors do not look in bad shape in certain spots. You will see in other spots that they've got some pretty big damage. You had some water damage from the roof is what it looks like. You'll see in a minute. So here's your downstairs full bath. Right now I can't even tell you the number of bedrooms and baths this house has because it has so many rooms. It's over 5,000 square feet. Okay, so we got another front bedroom. And this room doesn't look bad at all. I mean, it almost doesn't even need painting. But another humongous negative is that you'll notice none of the outlets have grounds. They're all 2-prong, which that's just not a good sign. Okay, so here's your front living room area with fireplace and hole in ceiling. I mean, I don't know how well you can see on camera, but that's so warped. So here's one of your front doors. And there's another room off to the side here. And this is where you're going to get a bit of damage for the floors in this room. Kind of spongy. Looks like there was water damage from the way these cabinets look. And that door. And you have this room here, this little sunroom. I don't know if you can tell from here, but you can see there's a gap in that window up top. All this ceiling looks pretty rot. There's no telling how much wood rot this property really has, but I imagine it's going to have a ton. And there's no telling. I don't see any live termites just from my views, but there's no telling. This whole front area is just eaten up. But we know we had some pretty big water damage for sure. Okay, so this is the other room on the side. Then you go back around this side, and there's another front door. Then you go up these stairs. So you've got another sunroom here, which has got some pretty cool character. And this is where you're going to get your water view. I'm not going to walk on this patio balcony because I'm afraid it might fall through. But I mean, these are all very expensive, $1 million homes. So the location is just incredible. You're very convenient to go breeze the beach, downtown. Okay, so you've got another living room up here with fireplace, another major hole in the wall, or hole in the ceiling, sorry. This is another front little balcony. You can see that it's just covered in leaves and bushes and yeah, I'm not going out there. More wood rot. So, living room up here. It's another nice sitting room area. You've got another, it looks like they were converting this into a master shower of some sort. Or that's kind of freaky. So you've got more ceiling damage up here. And you have, looks like this was the bathroom. Here's your sink and toilet area. Big room, wasted space. You have another little area before you go downstairs. This is the stairs that came in the back door. And you have another little laundry room area up here. Like I said, this house keeps going on and on and on. Okay. So on this side, you've got, right, see the floor's eaten up pretty bad right there. So is the ceiling. Ugh. So you've got another bedroom. But you can see your garage apartment, which looks like it needs a lot of work also. There's a lot of paint chips on the outside and inside of this house. So right, here's another formal bathroom. I didn't see any half baths downstairs. I'm gonna have to look again, but I didn't see any. All right, here's another bedroom upstairs. You got a blue tarp covering the window. It's all rotted out. There's a blue tarp on another window. Let's see, we'll walk down these stairs again just so you can see the layout one more time. Here's what the front looks like. Well, this is a perfect real estate scenario. You're looking for the worst house in the best neighborhood. Well, this one's probably it. So let's go see if we can get in the apartment over here and see what's going on with it. Well, they left the door open, so that's nice of them. Alright, so here's a room when you first walk in up here. room. Little window unit. Looks like we have has a full bath. Small little kitchen area. I mean, this location, this would be an incredible rental though, renting in a second. Really nice house behind you. That's one thing about this neighborhood. There are beautiful $1 million homes all around here. And the street across is on the water, so, well, not on the water necessarily, but a gorgeous home. Okay, that is the new property. It is huge, it needs a ton of work, and it will be sold as is by the servicer. I know for a fact they're only going to sell it as is. So I'll do another video and update kind of what happens, the next stage of the process. But hopefully this will be out within the next 3 weeks, or that's what I hope. Anyway, if you have any questions, leave them below. Until the next video, appreciate it. Make sure and hit the subscribe button. And if you like the video, like it. If not, hit a dislike. But if you have any questions about foreclosures, the hot real estate market here in Pensacola area, please give me a call, send me a note, message, whatever. Have a great day. Thanks.